Hey guys, it's Hamza with another crypto video. Today I'm doing something new. I've been building a lot on Claude code, and today I saw a tweet, right? From this guy, Bando. He has 20,000 followers. He said, guide to tracking meme coin wallets. Number one, finding the wallet. Number two, add the wallet to trading terminal. Label the wallet, start tracking, and he gave us a picture. So with all of this, with AI being so smart right now, it's so easy just to copy and paste all of this and create a tool. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Now, my cloud code is connected to my PC. Nothing is connected to my wallets right here in my on my MacBook because there's a safety issue with that. So with that, I told it that we're doing something new today while the radar's still going. I want to add a watch list for wallets. It said, got it, add a wallet watch list. I was like, you have access to my PC, right? Yes, I'm already in. Yada, 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 wish chain, activity holdings, both. All that I'm going to skip. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy it, right? Right here. I'm just going to copy this. Let's see. Come on. We don't know how to copy and paste now. All right, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh my God, we're almost there. Let me zoom out. I don't know. You have to hold like two buttons. I'm being a boomer right now. Okay. Let me copy this real quick. Oh my God. What's going on? All right, there we go. Unbelievable. All right, this is gonna be the hardest step. All right, we're gonna paste it right here. All right, and then I'm gonna copy this image. Let me screenshot it. Sometimes Claude doesn't read that. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and it's gonna do its thing. Now I have skip permissions, so let's see what it's gonna do, what it's gonna build. All right, and we're back. So I literally copied and pasted everything. It said done. The watch list is live in the radar trader dashboard. Radar is untouched. What's live now? So I put this on my local host. All right, I didn't push it to a website yet, so I can add wallets, bulk paste, per wallet activity remove. One step to turn off the live buy sell data. Right now it shows live activity off. Because there's no data source yet, to light it up, grab a free Helius API key at helius.dev, and it can do the Solana. In the wallets tab, click add a free Helius API, paste the activity plus convergence to turn on immediately. All right, so let me go here and see what it created for me. By the way, I have created a radar for my Discord group, so this is how it looks, right? The 3 hours. This is what I've invested in so far. So ignore this. Let's go to wallets. All right. And this is what it's talking about, right? Convergence, coins +2, add your Helius key. So let me do that. It looks kind of whack though. So I don't get it. Like, we're supposed to paste the Solana address here. Isn't it supposed to find it for me? All right, let me go here. All right, find the wallets, top trader section later. Addition, I post the most profitable wallets. Okay, so I'm supposed to post the most profitable wallets. All right, so you can add the wallets to trading terminal from these wallet activity tracking and alerts, wallet tracking, GNI, wallet tracking and Telegram alerts, and then trade with Photon. So these are the three ones. Or use Run Pro to add label to wallet terminals. Okay, label the wallets and start tracking. So we need to find the wallets. So I'm gonna tell it to find the wallets from these right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go there because it did some of it, but it didn't understand what it's doing. It built something, but we need to find the wallets. Okay, I like what you built. No, actually, I don't like. Okay. Okay. What you built was kind of confusing because we need to find the wallets from Frontrun, Dexscreener, Kolscan, and Nansen. And then we need to add the wallets to the terminal, which is on the tool that you built. All right, let's see if it goes that far. It told me about Helius API. Why? We need this. What is Helius API anyways? It says Helius API. Okay. Do I need Helius API to track the wallets from all the above? You're right about steps 2 to 4, but step 1, finding the wallets, is still manually browsing. That's the confusing gap. The real win here is automating or finding the wallets flow into Watchlist instead of you copy and pasting. Let me be honest with you. What auto table before I promise anything. Let me probe those sources for you. Okay, so I told you it was. I thought it was what? So let's see what it does. All right, I'm back. So yeah, we need Helius because all these wallets that from these 4 websites, it gives it unauthorized, forbidden, needs a key, no traders data, and the public API returns prices and pairs only. That's not true. There's wallets that you can track with Dexscreener, but the bottom line is we can grab a free Helius key. So let me grab that real quick. So I'm back real quick, and Helius is not free, so I copied and pasted the image because it needs a plan. 49 for 499, 999. I'm not doing any of that. Oh, continue with free plan. Oops. Personal. DeFi plus trading bots, AI agents, wallets. There we go. First time building here. I know Solana well. Okay. Let me type in my thing. All right, there we go. Free plan. All right. Never mind. I told it that it was not free and it was free. Okay, let's grab the key. Let me move my face. I'm sure the key is somewhere here. Should I be lazy and oh, there it is. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the key. You can't see it. All right. I'm gonna be back. All right, guys, I'm back. So I copied and pasted the API, and this is what it's telling me now. Sorry, guys, it's nighttime. I gotta smoke my hookah, but no, I can't blur out what's already. Oh, I told her to blur out the key, but it's already up there because I don't want you guys copy and paste it. The real fix is okay. It's telling me about blurring out. Where the key lives now? No, it's in my wallet's JSON file. Okay, to set new key without it ever touch it. All this is just because I said to blur it out. Okay, want me to drop one wallet? Want me to drop one wallet address you track so I can confirm? Okay, all right. So now that you have the key to Helius, can you start doing the? Can you start tracking wallets and give me some top trading wallets and put them on the tool that you created? With that, let me take a hit and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. It's live on Real Money. It's done. 14 top calls, source verified and tracked. All right, so it's done, and I go right here to the wallets, and we can see the calls and what they've done in the last 25 minutes, 5 hours, 3 hours, and what they bought, what they sold, how much they made. But this is very confusing, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. So I'm gonna tell it looks very confusing. Can you clean it up for me and tell me what their win-loss percentage, win-loss ratio is, and what percentage of what percentage of the coin went up, like how many X's. Also, if there is a wallet that's new that has bought something big, like 5 to 10 souls in a coin, track it as well and label it as new wallet went big. But like looking at this right here, it's not bad. It's just we just created this, like I started at like 9 p.m. It's 9:25, so 25 minutes. This video is 10 minutes because I've been pausing back and forth. But honestly, it's not bad. All from this tweet right here. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and give you the final thing, and I'm gonna tweak it, play with it. So I'm gonna give you how it looks after it's been cleaned, and really that's it. I mean, I just copied and pasted everything. It's on my thing, and it's on the side. So I'm gonna give you the final clean look, and see how it goes from there. All right, guys, I'm back. It said it cleaned up and it's live. The wallets tab is a proper table. Now it made a label and short address, win-loss ratio, net sold. They've actually banked and recent buys. Now I went to the website and I refreshed it, and it's not showing up. I wanted to show you guys step by step, so I'm gonna take a screenshot and put it right here. It also said that it did not build the new wallet went big discovery. It's different, heavier mechanism in the watch list, so it wants to do it right. So it didn't do that. It didn't even do that. So I want to see why the error happened. So I'm gonna show the screenshot that it's not working. Nothing showing up, and I didn't run out of credits on the free plan with Helius. Because I went to Helius dashboard right here, and yeah, I used 17,000 out of 1 million, which is pretty good, I guess, for the credits. I'm not sure how much they use. If this helps, I'll buy it, but I need to see some results, you know? So let's see what's gonna happen, because I refreshed it and nothing is popping up. All right, so I'll be right back. Let's see what it does. All right, and we're live back again. It said fixed. The problem was the endpoint, blah, 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 first loader, blah, blah, blah. All right, 2 notes. Some wallets show NA for win rate. That just means they don't have enough closed buy-sell round trips in the recent history, okay? Scoring only while you're actually watching the tab. So it won't quietly burn Helios credits when the dashboard's closed. Genius. Give it a hard refresh. All right, there we go. It's back up. This was way better to read. It tells you the win rate, it tells you how much they made, and it tells you the recent buys. Okay, now I'm gonna do when they made it, like when was the time. So I'm gonna add time to this, but so far this has worked out perfectly. Now I can add more to this watch list. I just have to tweak it. That's it, guys. This is I got this from a tweet, made it live, made it happen. A 15-minute video, but I started at 9 and it's 9:52. So it took me 52 minutes to build this, all from a tweet, all within Claude Code. If you like this kind of content, I can make it all the time because I'm always on Claude Code, building stuff like this. And if you want an update, please comment below. It's your boy Hamza. Assalamu alaikum.